guys, it's Marie from Sunshine Faith Real Estate Investments. I'm here today at Lowe's, kind of trying to see what type of things they have in there that we could possibly find for a tiny home. I've already kind of looked outside and I'll show you, but here at this particular Lowe's, they don't have anything that's comparable to the tough sheds that are at Home Depot. But let's go inside and see what they got that we could put in a tiny home if we were going to build one today. So give me just a second and we'll start on our adventure. Okay, so we are kind of in the cabinet section, and I have come up on these very cute but kitchen cabinet things that help you stay organized. The company is called Simply Put, Thoughtfully Organized, and it actually has a display kind of showing you here. This looks like a bottom cabinet, and they have soft closed drawers. So that one's kind of malfunctioning, but I think this one works. So yes, I really kind of like it because if you look really close here, it shows you how you can actually save space by organizing like your cookware or your plasticware. And with a tiny house, you're really going to need that, and the prices aren't so bad. Let's see here, $139, $40, so it's not so bad. And I just saw an actual microwave that is very neat and small enough for, I think, a small space. This little black one here. The company is Sharp, and it says it's a 1.4 cubic foot black stainless steel, I guess, carousel microwave oven. Pretty nice. There's the picture. I'll try to put some links, if you need to, in the description box. But let's go on to some cabinets. So here are, sorry, my purse is in the way, and the baby. But here are some just generic cabinets. We're going to look at maybe some of the unfinished ones, but this is just a small display. It doesn't give any pricing information here, but we can find that out. So these are your small cabinets, maybe on the side of a kitchen sink. It's just a wall cabinet, but here's the base cabinet down here at the bottom. And $73, not so bad. The wall cabinet, $54, so almost $55, so not so bad. So let's look at some more. Okay, so these cabinets here look like these are the ones that you may put over your refrigerator or above the stove. And the price for these, let's see here, if I can find it, $74.98, just like the others. That one's upside down. Okay, if we come down, you have your wall cabinets. I'll zoom out, sorry. $75.98 too. And then your base cabinet, 24 inches. And they are the 97, 98. So, not bad. Alright, so I'm going to go find some more stuff to show you. This is just the little unfinished cabinet area. So, I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, so I have made it my way over here to the refrigerators. And I've gone through most of them, but I've only kind of found one that I think would be kind of great for a tiny home. And let's see here. It is, I guess you pronounce it by hair. And it does have the top freezer. It's kind of small, but that's okay. You have a tiny home. And the refrigerator. So I'm going to turn it to the side so you can see the comparison between this one and the others. So the one beside it isn't the largest, but if you look down the aisle, you can kind of see. But the cost isn't that much. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Okay, so it's 9.8 cubic feet. And it looks like it may be on sale. But I'll put the link in the description box so that if you want to, you know, kind of look at it on Amazon, then that's fine. Okay, so I'm back recording. I spoke with this nice gentleman named Rick that told me about a stove, but we are here with the laundry center. It's the washer and dryer, up and down, stackable washer and dryer. It's by GE. Very neat. It's 27 inches wide. And it actually, you could do a family load of clothes in this thing. But very neat. It's on sale. So, alright, let's keep going. Did not even make it out the washer and dryers because I found these stackable LG washer and dryer.
Let me go grab some. I'll be right back.
Huh. And it's on sale too. Anybody that knows me knows that I absolutely love LG. I don't know why, but I do. And if I'm looking at the price, it really is less than $200. Well, I don't know if it's less than $200 more, but about $250 more than the other. It is a little, no, it's the same width and everything, but it's also on sale. But I'll put a link in the description box. Okay, so I'm on the tile aisle, and gorgeous tile here in Home Depot. Very beautiful. I'm not really looking for a tile because I'm thinking more of a peel and stick. Maybe one tile, but maybe a peel and stick would be great for a tiny home. So I'm trying to find some, and hopefully I'll see some in just a minute. So I'm going to put my phone down, but I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so I have found some peel and stick mosaic. I'm not the biggest fan. This one's pretty though. It's like a stone. Peel and stick towel. $12.98. So it's an option. It is an option. So again, I'll put it in the description if I can. Okay, so I'm on the aisle with the kitchen sinks, and very, very nice sinks, but for a tiny home, I'm thinking that you'll probably only need one instead of like the double sink. So I found this one here at the very bottom. They have 7-inch, 8-inch, and then there's a 9-inch. And the company is Elkay, and they range from $99 to the $199. So this one's the 8-inch is probably maybe the perfect one. It's 25 inches long, or the length is. 22 would be the width, and then the depth would be the 8 inches. So this would probably be the perfect one. Let's see how much this one is. It's $109. So it says an everyday low price, but if I can link it, I will for you. So on to the next thing. I did try to find some of the some more of the stick-on tile, but I have not been able to locate any in this particular location. So I'm gonna keep looking for some major things that we probably could use in a tiny home. So gonna keep going. So here we go. Okay, so this aisle is the tub aisle, I guess you want to call it. And I brought you on this one because it has both combination tub and shower things, and also just shower. For someone like me that doesn't wash their hair every day, I love a tub. And so I need my tub. This one's pretty nice. It's not the cleanest here, but it doesn't mean that. It's by American Standard. And the tub is $220, I believe. And the matching wall set is $259. So about five something. Let's see. Oh, and then the door, $408. So that's kind of maybe about $1,000, close to $1,000. That's me doing the math in my head. Not quite sure if it's the $259 or not, but $259, that's $518 plus 4, so a little below $950. But you might as well round that up to $1,000. That's why I said 1,000. But let's keep going. There's just a shower, and anybody can kind of walk through and kind of see. But I wanted you to see this one. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. I'm not a stand. These two say shower in style. So if you need to do something fancy, I guess that's where these come in. Okay, so they have different prices on them. Where's the name brand? Lowe or Ove? Okay guys, so we are here in the vanity section, and here's a pretty small one here. It is 30 inches. Has a pretty nice top. It's on sale. $279, and it's a special buy. So you can get this up until September, but it's pretty nice. Then there's another one over here that's pretty small and very nice. and it is on sale for $3.49. Has like a nice Carrera marble top, undermounted sink. Has 3 drawers, but only 1. It says it looks like 3, but it's only 2. So this one, you know, opens up for the plumbing, and then this one is a big one. So pretty nice, guys. So I wanted to come to Home Depot to show you what the peel and stick tile looked like, and so here's one design. Here's kind of another. Let's see if I can push it up. You can kind of see from there. They're by Floor Pops. And then there's another company, has like more of stone. They're $14.99 and $13.99. And this company, STK Wall Tile Collection. It's one design or 2 designs, and here are the other 2. So this is what I was trying to show you at Lowe's, but I had to come to Home Depot to show you. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. And if you want notifications when I upload new videos, hit that bell and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.